for joining me. The Mamelodi Sundowns for a fifth time in 2024. And all of those 5 times will be under 3 different coaches. Now, against the backdrop of the season, what it's brought for you guys, what have you made of that? Has it gone into your thinking at all coming into tonight?
Yeah, it's always tricky when you play a team with a new coach. You know, you're not always 100% sure of what type of changes. You know, even looking at their lineup, there's been a number of changes that we maybe didn't expect. So it does make it a little bit trickier. But in the end of the day, it's also about what we do and what we need to do to win a game like this evening. And it's playing to our strengths and making sure Sundowns will always have a quality team, regardless of who plays. A lot of technical ability in the team, and we're coming up against Icky, and he's in good goal scoring form. So they obviously pose a lot of threats. It's about negating that as much as we can, but at the same time having the confidence and the bravery to also, when we have the ball, to ask them the questions.
Don't be a while. In the league, it was a really, really strong defensive showing that got you past Orlando Pirates. Do you feel or foresee that the very same sort of defensive ability is going to be tested tonight?
Yeah, I think I always tell the players, to attack well, you have to defend well, and vice versa. So we know we have to defend really well. If you don't defend well against a team like Sundowns, they will punish you. So it's getting the balance right, defensively being really sound and solid, and not just sitting back. We've also got to try and sort of force them into errors higher up the pitch at the same time. But if we are having to defend deep, and we may have to do that, then it's also looking to see whether we can punish them on a transition. So yeah, it'll be a tactical battle, and I think it's just what we need to do is defend well and make sure the final third we are ruthless.
Very quickly,
don't back the bus.
Yeah, 1 or 2 changes from the team that played on the weekend. Janino Palace gets a start. He comes back into the squad. A start for our Nigerian right back, KZ Godswill. He gets a start this evening. And Miguel also comes in to get another opportunity.
All the best, Coach.
Thank you.
Don't park the bus, please.
Coach, thank you very much for joining. It's your first game in South Africa's top flight. As you've come into the side now, still very early days, are you able to give yourself the time to settle in and perhaps see 1 or 2 things? Or is it a case of you have to hit the ground running?
I think both. Obviously, thank you very much. Salute everybody. We had to hit the ground running for sure. A lot of work, a lot of volume of work, trying to as quick as possible adapt. I think it's mission accomplished. Most of all, it was important to understand the reality that is the club, to the players. Obviously, I knew most of them and most of the situations. So I think we are doing well for the moment.
You've seen briefly Stellenbosch football and what they are capable of doing, particularly this year and the season when they've come up against Mamelodi Sundowns. Which areas do you feel are going to be key here today if you are to walk away with them?
Obviously, we respect all the opponents. We are facing strong opponents in the league. Stellenbosch is one of them, doing well this season. I think we need also to respect ourselves and focus on our tasks and our missions, on our behaviors, on our capacities, so that we can impose ourselves. We will take in consideration, obviously, the details that can make the difference, but we hope we are capable to make the difference by our own, with our capacities also, and use the quality of our players and our team spirit and our team behavior, so that we accomplish the result we need to take from here and we want to take from here.
Very quickly, before I let you go, share with us some of the conversations that you've had with your coaching staff in preparing for today and the team that you've selected to start.
So basically, we had some conditioning. It's clear for everybody. We had to deal with it. We deal with it with a positive thoughts. Think that we have people that can replace always the ones that are not on our disposal. We had time enough also to analyze Stellenbosch, obviously, to think about the game plan. It's time now to put it to go and to pay attention on the details, as I said before. There are details that can make the difference. Let's hope we take them on our sides and we can get the result, as I said, that we need and that we want and that we believe we can have.
All the best for tonight.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
This game, I predicted a 1-1 draw, not draw. I don't see a winner here because I see Stellenbosch. They are tired. They are from somewhere, Kukaika. But yeah, I predict a 1-1 draw, which is good for us. And when they draw, we must come and win. We shouldn't just come and draw as well. They draw, we come, we win. We put pressure. Bumper to bumper. Bumper to bumper.